Hello from Slovenia again. I will play with this waterfall, I believe was called when I got it, probably 5 years ago. Waterfall cup, and I will pour some paints in and play with them. And I kind of want some of this greenish blue here on the outside with some iridescent green blue by Pebble. I don't know, I'm just going like I feel. I will add a little bit of black too. I don't know how. I don't know if I use this 3 or 4 one, I don't know. I will just play with it. And some black again. And I was kind of thinking to add just some black here and some of this green gold. And this olive green light and some gold, iridescent precious gold. Here I will add white, these blues again, no, don't want white, maybe want here gold. Olive light, green gold, finish up this blue, iridescent blue green, dye and black. I don't know, so let's play with that, and I will wonder. Oh my God. Oh, I didn't think about that this will drip like that at the end. It ruined my beautiful middle here. Let me see what I can do. If anything. I will leave it like it is. Pour my white around here for flow extender, and here I will pour black, because if I will have some black negative space left, I don't mind. That middle bothers me, that I didn't realize. And I lost all the beautiful part. I wish that I would pay more attention because it was gorgeous, and no, I lost it. So now I will till this off too, because just don't need to be there if I lost everything else. I don't know what I was thinking when I did that, but I did it, so. Okay, it's still nice, but I'm not very happy with myself. So here she is dry. See the drips at the end. I over-tilled it when I was hoping to keep some of the black and gold that I have that I really liked, but I'm still pretty happy with this one. I love the colors together, love the effects, I love the shimmer. So probably this one will be embellished with something. I'm not sure with what yet, but definitely I want to do something on this part because just not my favorite part. Yeah, so tell me what you think about it. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe if you like my content, and thanks for being here. See you again on the next one. Bye!